Hello, friends. A very warm welcome to all of you on my YouTube channel, Dr. Vikas Kamra. Thank you very much for giving huge response to my previous video titled How to Publish International Conference Research Papers which are Scopus indexed. On request of many viewers, today I am sharing the next video on how to effectively network at international conferences or symposiums or any workshop. So let's start, my dear friends. The very first question arises in everyone's mind: why network at conferences? Say you are presenting your research paper in an international conference, you can get the opportunity to meet leading researchers in your field because in international conferences, papers came from all around the globe. If you are attending the conference, then you can have chance to collaborate with other researchers as well, so you can discover more collaboration opportunities. Also, you can stay updated with the latest trends because you are presenting your paper in a particular track or in any particular conference. So you will find the researchers and the papers of similar area, which helps you to stay updated. You can increase your research visibility as well because your paper is presented in any conference, you network with so many professionals. It helps you to grow your connection, and your research has a vital chances of increasing at the large scale. So, what to prepare before you attend any conference? The very first point: research the conference theme and the attendees. It is very important because if you are aware about the theme of the conference and the participants who are attending the conference, then you have a good chance for effective networking. You can list key speakers which you want to meet during the conference because it is very important. If you are attending any conference, you can meet the speakers who are expert in that particular area. Before meeting, you should prepare your academic elevator pitch so that you can brief them in your meeting what is your academic profile and what is your research profile. Similarly, you have a printed or a digital contact card with you because sharing the contact detail is very important. You can prepare a printout card of your personal details, your email ID, your contact number, your designation, or your affiliation. If you do not have any hard copy, you can make it in the form of a digital print card. Now, coming to the conference. So, while attending the conference, you should attend all the relevant sessions very actively because if you listen carefully all the sessions, then you will understand what you should learn in this conference, and you can ask thoughtful questions which broadens your perspective about your research area. Similarly, you can join informal meetups during the breaks of the conference, or you can utilize them for various conversations with your fellow researchers or keynote speakers or different experts attending the conference. So, how to start a conversation? It is very important, guys. So, you should start with a word like, I really liked your talk on, say, artificial intelligence or machine learning. Or you can start with the phrase, what do you think about the trends in computer vision or management or human resource? Which area of the conference you are attending? A third very important phrase which helps you to start your conversation is, I am working on something similar. Can I share it with you? It establishes a connection which helps you to grow your professional network. So, the key tools for networking are: the very first one and professional one is LinkedIn. You should share your LinkedIn ID with your members attending the conference. You can share your Scopus or Web of Science ID with them. You can also share ResearchGate, ORCID, or sometime Google Scholar profile as well. So conference apps are also there. Different website or portals are there. You can get connected with those experts or speakers through the conference websites or portals. The last point, as a technology guy, you should have a QR code for sharing your contact detail. It gives you a professional look. Once the conference is over, you should follow up after the conference. The very first point is, you should connect on LinkedIn with a personal note with whom you met during the conference. Maybe he or she is a keynote speaker or a researcher. The second point is you should send follow up emails so that it helps you to track your request if you put up to any speaker during the conference. Similarly, you can share relevant papers or projects with the fellow researchers. It establish a follow-up connection with the scholars, or you can say researchers you met during the conference. Similarly, to stay in touch, do not let the connection fade. That is why it is very important to establish a good connection at the conference. Now, the common mistakes you should avoid during the conference are: you should avoid being overly self promotional. It makes your negative image in front of another person. Similarly, ignoring junior researchers is a mistake which you have to avoid. You should meet with the senior as well as the junior researchers. The next thing you should avoid is not listening or engaging during the sessions. Because if you're not listening carefully, you do not get insights about other person's research area, and it will not help you to get a connection with that researcher. Forgetting to follow up. It is again a very common mistake. Once the conference is over, people forgot to follow up. You should avoid this mistake. There are many benefits of effective networking. So, number one, research collaborations. If you are good at networking at the conference, your collaborations with other researchers will increase. Similarly, you will get more publication opportunities because your connections are established, so you can work together to publish more papers. The next is academic mentorship. If you have a good connection established during the conference with other academicians or researchers, you will have a chance to get mentorship for you, or you can provide mentorship to them or their students as well. Also, you will get more invitations to speak at their organization or other conferences, or become a co-author with another researchers. It is a very great benefit of effective networking. So, final tips and takeaways are: be authentic and approachable. You should not make any fake statements during the conference. Be very authentic and share your contact details so that other researchers can approach you. You can focus on relationships, not just results. So, keep in mind, relationship is more important, which is a helpful thing in your future. Consistent follow builds credibility. You can connect with WhatsApp, or you can connect with emails or telephone calls, which builds your credibility. Networking is a very long term investment, so don't just wait for immediate result. You should invest and you will get sure result in a due span of time. So thank you very much, guys. This is in brief about today's presentation. So if you have any question, you should please comment on this video or drop an email to us. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel for more related and informative contents. Please like this video, share with your friends, and post your comments on this video. Stay connected with us on our Instagram and Facebook handles as well. The details are given in the comment section of this video. So once again, thank you very much.